Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a tutorial on this look right here. This is a summery pinky purple look. I wanted to come on and just play with some new products that I haven't used yet. So the palette that I use in this tutorial is from ABH Cosmetics. I think I got this palette free, or it had to be less than $10, and these are the colors in the palette, and I wanted to just like stick with the palette and play with these summery colors. I got really inspired by that, but I needed a assistant palette, so I went into my Naked 3 palette, which I rarely ever used, and I went into assist the other palette, and it has a lot of spring summery shades in here that I just love. So these two palettes right here, the Naked 3 and the B by Bubby Beauty BH Cosmetics, those are the palettes that I use on my eyes, and I like how it came out. This look right here. Now the colors in this BH Cosmetics palette is really good, especially for the price. Like, they're really blendable. I really like the shade range. I really wish they had like a deeper brown and a black in here, but it's okay. And it seemed like it's really travel friendly right here. Once it's shut, and it has a mirror. My Naked 3, this was a palette I was really excited about using. Haven't used it probably like in over a year, but now that I got into this palette, I really like these shades over here, these two dark shades. They're really pigmented, but the shimmery shades are like a hit or miss. Some can clump up, some really don't blend out well on the lid. I had to keep going in on my lid and keep applying with the brush, but it worked out okay. The star of the show here are my Anastasia bronzer and my Anastasia highlighter that I just received. For me, the bronzer is, I got it in mahogany. It's a warm tone bronzer. I want to say it cost me like $28. I got it from Sephora. It's really a warm tone bronzer. It gave me like more of like a natural bronze. It did show up on my skin. It seemed like I could build it up, but I like the natural bronze that it did give to me. I like that. It don't have a sheen or any flecks in it, which is good. It's really nice. The highlighter is fucking amazing. Look, guys, look at the detail and how they press the powder together. Look, and it's textured. Like, you can feel the ripples in there. And I'm going to do a swatch. We're going to do one swatch. Look at that. Pretty. The highlighter was really like a natural highlight at first, and you can definitely build it up. I really like this. I thought this tone would be too light for me. I'm like an NC50. I'm like a Lancome 500W. And I thought it would be actually too light for me, but it worked out really well. On my lips, I did stick with Urban Decay, a Naked lipstick, just like this. And that's all the products that I used that inspired me to do this look today. I really like how this came out, guys. And if you just want to see how I got the look, just please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting off and I'm getting these brows together with my NYX pencil brush, and then I'm going in and I'm going to conceal my lids, and I'm going to bring whatever extra I have up on this brush to conceal my brows. I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend out that concealer with my finger, and then I'm going to set it with a white shade or a cream shade in this BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to start off with my transition color, and it's going to be the purple shade in the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to go in real heavy with this shade and just blend it out. This is going to be my transition color, guys. We're just going to put this all over and just blend it out. I'm going to deepen, I'm going to go right on top of that transition color with like the second to last dark shade in this Naked 3 palette. And we're going to just go right on top. We're just going to go right on top. So here we go. We're just going to just draw out our outer V, and we're just going to bring it all the way into our crease. I was so excited when I first bought this Naked 3 palette a couple years ago, and I do not use this palette. I don't know why though, because it was so like hyped up and I bought it and I really don't reach for it. But guys, I'm like, you know what? I have to start doing like some spring looks and really, you know, getting out my comfort zone and doing different things. So no warm tone shades today. So we're still going in and we're carving out our crease and drawing out our outer V with that dark purple shade and that Naked 3 palette. And we're just going to continue that. I'm using a ColourPop brush, guys. I did not know these ColourPop brushes were so good. I really have to get me some more. Like, these ColourPop brushes are so inexpensive. They really get the job done. And like, I mean, I have to get me some more because it really is good. Guys, I want you to see like how many times I had to dig into this Naked palette to build up that color. I'm going in with my matte concealer and I think NC45 or NW45, and it's the Pro Longwear concealer. And I'm just going to cut my crease here, and then I'm going to go in and I'm just going to apply a shimmery shade out of the Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to just apply that all over on my lid where the concealer is. And guys, I really had to build up this color. I even wet my brush with Fix Plus, and I had to go in this color so many times, guys. Like, the shimmery shades in this Naked 3 palette is like trashed out. I don't know, maybe next time I'll try to use my finger, but it's trashed out. I'm going in with that dark purple shade again, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that crease color and marry my outer V color to my mobile lid pink shimmery shade. So right now you just see me blending. I'm blending everything together. It's no extra product on that brush. That was our transition brush that we initially used. We're just blending everything in so we don't have any harsh lines, guys. And we're going in, we're priming our face here, and then we're just going to go in and apply our foundation. I'm using my same old primer, same old foundation. You've seen this 100 times. Going in with Makeup Revolution concealer. You've seen me do this 100 times, guys. We're just going to blend this out. We're going to set it with the translucent setting powder, guys, and we're just going to keep moving through this so we can get to our new shit. So we're just setting our concealer here, and we're just going to keep it on pushing. And you can use any translucent setting powder that you have, guys. It all works the same to me. We're going to sweep off all that transition powder, and we're going to do it with the assistance of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This just helps me, you know, have a little extra added coverage. We're going in and we're going to bronze with my Amrezy bronzer in Mahogany. Y'all know I'm using my favorite bronzing brush, my favorite contouring brush, and it's my NYX brush, and we're going to bronze up this face. On first look, this bronzer looks really warm. When I first applied it, I had to really like build it up, and it still gave me like a natural like glow, which I'm not mad at. I'm not mad at this like natural, like look at my cheeks. Look at my cheeks, babe. I'm not mad at this natural glow. And I'm like, okay, this is different. So then I'm just going in, I'm setting my whole face. I want to say with Cover FX powder foundation and N90. And I'm just going to finish off my eyes here, guys. I'm going to go in and I'm going to smoke out that bottom lash line. And then we're just going to go over that bottom lash line and blend it so we don't have no harsh lines. We're going to go in with the shimmery colors in that inner corner. And we're going to spray our face so we can fuck with this highlighter. This highlighter is so bomb. When I first put it on, I was like, oh my God, what the fuck and the ashiness is going on? But I had to like dig in it a couple times and build it up, and it really, I like it. And I want to say it's really like, it looks like it just melted into my skin. Like, it really looks nice. Like, you see that first swipe, that's nothing. I got to do another I got to dig it back into that highlighter, do another swipe, and then you will see it. So we're just going to highlight everything. I'm going to use this highlighter as much as possible. We're going to do the bridge of our nose. We're going to do our eyebrow. We're going to do our cheeks. I mean, we're going to highlight everything we can just so we can see how we feel about this highlighter. And guys, I'm thinking I love it. Like, it's not a really harsh highlighter and bronzer. You can probably build it up a little bit more if that's what you like, but I like how this came out. It really looks nice on my skin. And guys, I'm like a NC50 in MAC, and I'm like a Lancome 500W. We're going in with my Goddess lashes here, and they're from Lily Lashes. They're really like drama, and the lashes dry, but you know what, I like them, and I just, but they're really drama. Like, I'm excited I have on lashes. Right now I'm putting on my Urban Decay Naked Lipstick, and then I'm going in with a brown MAC lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips just to tone down that lipstick a little bit, guys, while I talk on FaceTime. But you see that glow? You have to see that glow, guys. It's so nice. Guys, this is the finished look, and I like how this look came out. I like all the new products that I used today in this tutorial, guys. The bronzer is a yes. The highlighter is a yes. And I like this eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. Don't sleep on BH, y'all. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Leave a comment, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon.